Hey everybody, welcome to Sokka's Tech Spot. Today we're going to be looking at the Fitbit Versa. This has already been out for a while, but it is the first Fitbit smartwatch to come out that resembles the Pebble, and I supported both Kickstarters for the Pebble 1 and 2, and after Fitbit bought them out, I figured this would be the next best thing. So let's go ahead and check this watch out and see how it compares to the Fitbit. I don't think they're using the same technology as the Fitbit, so I don't think this is the same e-ink display, but nevertheless we're gonna see what they have to offer after buying out one of the best smartwatch companies. So over here we got the black one, black on black with the aluminum casing. They also have the peach color with the rose gold, and they also have the gray with the silver aluminum. But over here we got the black on black, goes with everything. And they also have a couple of fancy wristbands you can get as well. So it tells you right here you can close a small and large, so it's going to fit any wrist size. It tells you a couple of the features. It does pretty much what every smartwatch does. It does your multimedia, your text messages, your health features, and it has a heartbeat sensor as well. So over here it tells you a couple of the features that you'll probably want to be interested in. Anyways, let's get into it. It's just a box. So here we are, we're presented with the watch on one side and the booklet on the other. Let's take a look at the watch real quick. That's what we're all here for. Everyone always starts off with the booklets and crap. Let's cut to the chase here. Alright, if I could just get this out, put that to the side, and let's unwrap this nice and slow. Okay, so there we go. Oh, I turned it on by accident, but hey, that's a good thing. Let's see, it has some juice in it already. Get a close-up view of that. It's all glossy. Yeah, we're having a hard time focusing because it's so shiny, catching the reflections. So while that boots up, let's see what else we got here. It looked like it died, so maybe it doesn't have that much juice. So it looks like it comes with the charging base, tells you how to do the charging base, and shows you how to replace the wristband if you need to. Pretty self-explanatory. So, ooh, okay. Let's see here. This looks like the charging base, and it has, ooh, I just knocked the microphone, sorry about that. And it looks like it has a fairly lengthy cable, nothing too crazy. And here is the large wristband. So it looks like you only have to change one side, which is pretty neat. So let's go ahead and see how we're doing with the phone. The rest of it is just safety instructions. We're not worried about safety. We know what we're doing. We're professionals here. Yeah, it looks like okay. Oh, okay. So you notice that I picked it up. So download the Fitbit app. Okay, it wants me to set it up. We'll get to that later. I'm not going to bore you guys with those details. So here we go. Here's the heartbeat sensor on the bottom, and here's the charging connector here. And other than that, it looks like the bands have a little quick release here. I feel like I would need the large one. Let's try the small one. I have fairly medium-sized wrists, whatever that means. Okay, let's see if I can put this on. Ooh, actually, this one might fit, but it's kind of finicky to put on. There we go. That's actually, yeah, it's towards the end. We're on the last couple of holes there, but other than that, it does feel nice, and it looks bigger than it is. But no, it really looks bigger on the box. This is not that big of a watch. I would say it's probably a little smaller than the Apple Watch. I don't know, I haven't seen Apple Watch for a while, so I can't confirm that either, but it's not that big whatsoever. The screen is 1.34 inches, so I don't know what Apple Watch is. We could probably Google it. I'm not going to Google it right now. But there you go. That is the new Fitbit Versa. Let's at least plug in the charger, give you guys some charging action. Here, we'll unwrap on screen, because everyone likes a nice unwrapping. Oh yeah, there it is. And what is that? It looks like some sort of infrared receiver. That is rather interesting. Or maybe it's just glossiness to look pretty. I don't know. It looks like an infrared receiver. Probably not. Why would you need that on a smartwatch charging case? Fucking silliness here. what are you going to do? Turn on your smartwatch from the couch, and then what? It's not going to accomplish anything. Alright, so I just plugged in. Let's see, okay, yeah, okay, there we go. It really gets in there, so it sits pretty much almost flush with the casing, or with the base, I should say. So it's pretty much flush there. That's cool, but I mean, if you have the watch bands on, like that. Oh, I see what that's for. So yeah, you press the sides, it pops it out. I see, so you don't have to worry about the watch bands because it holds it nice and snugly in there. And then when you want to grab and go, you just pop it out. So that's cool. You don't have to worry about it being disconnected for any dumb reason, because other ones were just magnetic and they would kind of get disconnected on the Pebble watches if you weren't really careful, or if you just threw them around. So yeah, there you go. The Fitbit Versa. I will be trying this out, and I'm expecting greatness from the people that bought Pebble. Make good use of their patents, please. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys were a Pebble user before and you got a Fitbit Versa, what are your thoughts on this? I'm really hoping that it's what I expect it to be. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.